Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's both thrilling and nerve-wracking: pulling out baby teeth. Baby teeth usually fall out on their own, but sometimes they need a little bit of encouragement. If we don't take them out, it can cause discomfort for our loved ones. But don't worry, we've got 5 awesome methods that will make it painless and maybe even fun for your little one. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss out any dental tips and tricks.
So, let's jump right in. Method number 1, the classic wiggle. Encourage your child to gently wiggle the loose tooth back and forth with their tongue until it pops out on its own. It's simple, easy, and usually painless. Method number 2, the finger wiggle. Encourage your child or help your child to constantly wiggle the tooth with clean finger. This will increase the mobility of the tooth and eventually fall out on its own. This method usually painless and comfortable for them. Method number 3, the floss trick.
Tie a piece of dental floss around the loose tooth and give it a gentle tug. The floss acts as a lever, making it easier to pull out the tooth without causing any pain. You can make this method creative. For example, tying the floss onto a ball and ask your kid to throw it out. The ball will pull out the loose tooth instantly. You can also tie the floss over a toy gun bullet and ask your aim and shoot. The loose baby tooth will fly out together with the bullet, and the job is done.
Method number 4, the tissue twist.
Use a clean tissue to grip the tooth firmly and give it a gentle twist. The tissue provides a good grip and helps minimize any discomfort for your child.
And lastly, method number 5, the crunchy snack.
Give your child a crunchy snack like an apple, carrot, or celery stick to chew on. The natural motion of biting and chewing can help loosen the tooth and encourage it to come out.
There you have it, folks. 5 different ways to pull out baby teeth painlessly at home. Remember to let your child to bite down a gauze to stop the bleeding after pulling out teeth. And don't forget to praise your child for their bravery and reassure them that losing baby teeth is a normal part of growing up.
If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on dental health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.